Let me walk you through step by step how you can change your name, address, phone number, date of birth on your NIN, National Identification Number, as a Nigerian. Follow me. Let me show you step by step on how you can achieve that. You don't need to pay any agent, anybody, any money again. You can use your smartphone to do all of that on your own at a cheaper price. For your name, address, and phone number, you could just use 2013 naira to change it. But for date of birth, you pay 29,000. This is you doing it yourself, not paying so much money to anybody out there in the name of all these changes. Let's go. So what you do, you just go to any browser of your choice. I'll be using Chrome. So once your Chrome opens, the thing you type in is self-service. You can see it. This is the website, self-service modification. You could decide to type NIM self-service. Okay, you can see it here. I'll just click on it. Once it opens, you click on the first one. You can see it here, NIM self-service. I'll just click on it so that it opens. It's coming up. Now you can see the page. This is NIM self-service. You have two options, either to log in or register. So if this is your first time, for me, I will only log in, but because it's your first time, you click on register. What it ask you, you put in your last name, your first name, your middle name, and your phone number. You click on next. Then you'll be asked to verify. But because I've already used it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in. So I'll click on log in, then I'll put in my details. So you see, immediately I log in, the next thing it tells me to verify my face. You really need to verify your face. For you, it will ask you to capture your face. Because I've already captured my face the first time, I'm only going to verify, but for you, you will capture. So once I click on verify face, it's going to bring up this page. So you see, for you, you just click on start face capture. You click on it. So for you, you need to put your face, capture it, ensure that you capture your face very well. So after capturing the image, it's going to bring you here. You can see. First of all, before you start any editing, you click here on this arrow, click on profile so that you confirm it is going to bring out your name, your NIN number, your details. You need to confirm it so that you know the information you are editing. Then the next thing is you're seeing the modification categories. So you can modify, you can change your name, change your address, your phone number, and date of birth. You can see the price to change your name is 2013 naira. For address the same, for phone number the same, but for change of date of birth, you are going to pay 29,002.61 naira. That is it. Whichever one you want to change, let's assume I want to change name. I'll click on it and click on continue. It's going to bring you, take you to the payment portal. You can read the instruction carefully. This is the instruction for you. Read it carefully. There are some certain information they need you to have before you continue. If you're satisfied with the information, you click on I have read and understood. You click on continue. Now you can see again, they are giving you the another information you need to read. If it's okay by you, you click on I understand. Then that is it. Now, if you started an application before and you didn't conclude it, you click on resume application. If you started before, let's assume you didn't want to pay online, you wanted to pay with RR. Here is where you validate, you put in the RR number they are going to give. If it's a new payment, you click on new payment. You'll be given two options, pay online or offline. When you click on pay online, that means you're going to generate an RR code, which you will come back and click on validate. When you generate the RR code, you come back there and click on validate. If it's an online, you'll be given option. You'll be given option to pay online, where they will give you several options like pay with your card, pay with USSD, internet banking, or bank account, whichever one that it is. Once after payment, you'll be given option where you can do your editing, and that is it. Please don't forget to click on the plus sign to follow me and stay updated always for my next video. Thank you. Bye.